What does a convenience store owner, a restaurant owner, a brewer, and a horticulturist all have in common? They all run their own business and are heavily invested in it. Just like them, your business never stops, even while you are away. Some of your equipment must always be on, and a lot can happen when you are away, which leads to business downtime and financial loss. You need to be connected to your business anytime and from anywhere. EcoStruxure Facility Expert Small Business lets you do just that. It monitors your business 24/7 and notifies you when something goes wrong, so you can take swift action and avoid downtime. Enjoy peace of mind while you are away. Keep an eye on your business, anytime, anywhere.